Here's a demo of client-side predicted shots in nengi.js and Babylon. In this game, it's just a continuation of the previous video where there were client-side predictions between the players and these walls and the train mesh, but now you can also shoot a ray, like a hitscan weapon that goes instantly from source to destination. The graphics for this are just for debugging's sake. You know, you wouldn't actually leave something like this in a game. And what it draws is a white cylinder on the client as the predicted shot, and then a red cylinder as the server confirmed shot. Now I'm playing with 0 latency, so these two things are almost identical in timing. If I add a little bit of lag, you can start to see the timing difference between them. Here I'm adding 200 milliseconds, which is going to get doubled. And now when I shoot, you'll see it's white for a moment before the red cylinder appears. And if I fly around and drop a bunch, you can see how the red is lagging behind the white. But the important part about this is that the predictions are always fully accurate. There's never a lone white line or a lone red line. It's always the predicted shot followed by it being traced perfectly by the server. And this is using very similar logic to the moving logic, at least conceptually, just this time it's raycast. So with this latency, I'm going to move this other player off alone to a place away from all that other mess I've made. And I'm going to fire some shots in front of this player so we can see what they look like from that player's perspective. This is, once again, still with the lag running, so I'm going to fire right in front of the player. We can see on the right screen, the one that's predicting it, the shots appear instantly, and then a split second later, they appear for the other player, because that other player doesn't have the same lag that the shooting player does. Another thing is that collisions against players work. This is all via, the math of this is all via Babylon, by the way. It's just Babylon's raycaster. So if I fire at the other player, I can just keep firing. On the right screen, you see the things landing. On the left screen, you see the source for them. They all originate at the center of the player at the moment instead of at the face of the cube. So that's why they all come together to a cone, basically. And if we strafe on over here, we can see the surface they've collided on. If I back up a little bit, move this cube away from it, still with the lag on, by the way, you can see basically that it was very accurate about its collision. You know, they're all in a line where the face of that cube used to be. In any case, this will find its way into one of the Nengi template games, along with whatever other client-side predicted features I make along my way to making a first-person shooter. Thanks for watching.